This is the RollingDog Sanding Kit. And you can see it comes with the rectangular sander. The iron-shaped sander has a handle. It is a hook and latch system and a large circle. And you get all of this in one kit. This is for like drywall sanding. So let's see. Ooh, look how big that is nice. And you can hook the pole onto it. You've got some extra sanding discs. Looks like two different grades. We've got 80 and 240. There's some 120. Yeah, so several different grades there. We've got the rectangle sander, the iron-shaped, curved front on it. Lots of spare sandpaper. Also have a holder, so you can either put the handle in, or you can take that off and put the attachment for the post. You screw the post right in there. Another holder, got the pole, nice metal screw. It looks like it extends, and an Allen wrench, tighten that down. And this corner sander. Okay, and that's where these brackets would go. So you could slide that in, lock that down. Now you can use the pole. Lots of extra sandpaper. So you've got all kinds of sandpaper, different grades. We've got round, the shoe, rectangle, and the corner unit. Lots of neat tools. There are some projects I have coming up that I'll be using it. That is a lot of good tools in one kit. And they feel real heavy duty. It's not going to break. They all have a quick release. All right, and just like that, you can sand on the wall. Very cool. Very nice system. I can't wait to try them.